लंदन में मुख्तलिफ मज़ाहिब के दरमियान हम आहंगी के फ़रोग़ और जंग अज़ीम दोम में क़ुरबानी देने वाले मुसलमानों को खराज अक़ीदत पेश करने के लिए तक़रीब का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें सियासी और समाजी शख्सियात शरीक हुईं। नाज़रीन न्यूज़ के नुमाइंदे सलीम साबरी की रिपोर्ट।
लंदन के इलाके अल्फर्ड में चेयरमैन लीग ऑफ ब्रिटिश मुस्लिम्स बशीर चौधरी की जानिब से तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें हुकूमती अरकान और कम्युनिटी की नुमाया शख्सियात शरीक हुईं। तकरीब से खिताब और मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए शुरका ने कहा कि जंग अजीम दोम में भी मुसलमानों ने अजीम कुर्बानियाँ दी और दीगर मज़ाहिब के साथ साथ इंसानियत की भलाई के लिए काम किया। अब ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि दीगर मज़ाहिब के साथ मिलकर इंतहा पसंदी और दहशतगर्दी का कला कमा करें।
In different communities who've tried to prevent this exhibition from happening, I'm here to say that is something that we do not support. There are many different organisations and individuals here who support this exhibition and who recognise that at a time of growing hatred and extremism, it is imperative that we all come together and stand together in the name of our common humanity and with the aim and purpose of building bridges and not burning those bridges.
Muslims stood up for Jews and Jews stood up for Muslims. That this should inspire us, that despite the difficulties, despite the darkness, despite the confusion that we're faced with today.
It's quite significant because not many mosques wanted to put this exhibition on because they were being threatened by extremists. So this is an extra special moment when one community leader said, I don't care what extremists are saying.
This event reminds us that from here we just not only commemorate, but we got to learn lessons. Things are still going on in this world. More people are killed every day. So we got to have more dialogue, we got to work together and sit and resolve these issues.
This event, which is commemorating the Albanian Muslims who protected and hid and saved the lives of Jewish people in Albania during the period of the Second World War, when the Nazis were there trying to wipe out all of the Jewish people.
I think that was a very, very incredible part of the history of Albania, and as an Albanian, I'm proud of that. And particularly in today's climate, where we're seeing a little bit of a rise in kind of
being Muslims, saving the lives of other people. And so we need to celebrate that in the current climate and show all the good that is in the history of the Islamic tradition.
शुरका का मजीद कहना था कि बरतानिया कसीरुल सकाफती मुल्क है। इसमें तमाम मज़ाहिब के लोगों को मजहबी आज़ादी हासिल है। भाईचारे, मोहब्बत और बर्दाश्त के असूलों पर अमल पैरा होकर ही एक मिसाली मुआशरा तश्कील पा सकता है। सलीम साबरी, 92 न्यूज़, लंदन।